Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to insert a background image or watermark image in Microsoft Excel 2019. So first you click insert, next click shapes, here the arrow, and then click rectangle, and then draw the rectangle where you want to put a background image. Hold down your left mouse button, then drag to the portion where you want to put a background image. Release your left mouse, and then next you right click anywhere at this shape. Okay, make sure you can see the format shape. When you right click format shape, and then select this picture or texture fill, select this one, and then click file, then select the logo or browse the logo where you want to insert as background or transparent image. Select, then click insert. Okay, you have already the logo, and then this time you can change the transparency of the logo. You can type here, or you can move this slider for transparency. You can set depending on the picture. For instance, you set it for 75%, and then this time you have already a background image. See, background image for your Microsoft Excel file. Okay, so you can close this window. Then if you want to put another background, you can simply select this one, you click home, and then click copy, and then you can paste. For instance, there are 4 templates. You're going to put a background, you can paste it thrice, and you can simply just move it to your other template. You can resize if you want your background image. So that's all how to insert a transparent image or background image in Microsoft Excel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for more templates that I'm going to upload. Thank you so much for watching.